Welcome to my Impressions and Altruism worksheet. Check out this excerpt from the training video I did for the New York City Department of Education. The next activity is called Impressions and Altruism. And this takes it a step further because for this task, the students also have to consider other people's feelings, not just are they getting the impression they want to give, but also think about the other person, be altruistic. For this, there are 5 different situations, and for each situation, they roll a die to see which of 6 different people they're going to be interacting with in that situation. So let's look at one of the situations. You have a really bad sunburn, and you are speaking with 1, a dermatologist at your appointment. So, what does the student want to achieve? If they have a really bad sunburn and they're speaking to a dermatologist at the appointment, basically they want relief from the sunburn. This one is not so important as to what impression the dermatologist has of them, right? Because that doesn't really matter. The dermatologist's job is just to help them and relieve their pain. Number 2, what if they have a really bad sunburn and they're speaking with a burn victim in the dermatologist's waiting room? Here they really have to think about the other person. How does that burn victim feel? So, for example, we might discuss, well, should you be complaining about your bad sunburn aloud to your mom sitting next to you? Probably not, right? Because that other person has it worse than you. So maybe keep your complaints to yourself. So you can see how all these different variables really come into play, and students really have to tease out how what they say would affect the other person, how it would make the other person feel, how their actions have impacts, and so on. A lot of perspective taking. You could try using thought and speech bubbles with erasable markers, like you can see, for this activity and for a lot of the activities, because these will make it clear to your students how your thoughts shouldn't always match what comes out of your mouth. You might have a thought, and that's okay, but it doesn't necessarily mean you should say whatever's on your mind. Thanks for viewing my description of this worksheet. If you like what you've seen here, please click and subscribe to my channel. Not exactly sure what that means, but my web guy told me it's a thing.